What if I told you that most of the universe is invisible? That out there, beyond the glittering stars and galaxies, lie vast, terrifying regions of darkness. Places where the laws of physics seem to break, where entire galaxies vanish, and where unseen forces pull us toward an unknown fate. Scientists have discovered some of the most bizarre, mind-bending mysteries hidden in the darkest corners of space. From enormous voids to invisible matter and forces we can't explain. What's really lurking in the cosmic shadows? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the deepest, darkest secrets of the universe. The Boötes Void. Imagine looking into the night sky and finding absolutely nothing. No stars, no galaxies, just a vast, eerie emptiness. That's exactly what astronomers found in 1981 when they discovered the Boötes Void, one of the largest and most baffling empty spaces in the known universe. This void, spanning nearly 330 million light-years, is so massive that if the Milky Way were placed inside, it would still seem like a tiny speck. Now here's the creepy part. This isn't just a dark region of space where there are fewer stars, it's an area where there should be thousands of galaxies. But instead there are only a handful. Scientists call it a supervoid, but even that term doesn't fully explain how something this enormous and empty could exist. Some theories suggest it formed due to smaller voids merging over billions of years, creating a cosmic desert. But others believe something even more mysterious is at play. Could this void be evidence of something beyond our understanding of physics? Some speculative ideas even suggest advanced extraterrestrial civilizations could have engineered such a void by harvesting galaxies for energy. It sounds like science fiction, but the truth is, we have no definitive explanation. Whatever caused it, one thing is clear. The Boötes Void is one of the greatest enigmas of the cosmos. A place so vast and silent it challenges everything we know about how galaxies form and the large-scale structure of the universe. If there's anything lurking inside, we may never know. Dark matter. Right now you're surrounded by invisible matter. You can't see it, touch it, or interact with it in any way, but it's there. Scientists call it dark matter, and it makes up about 27% of the universe. Yet no one knows what it really is. Here's the weird part. If you remove all the stars, planets, and galaxies from the universe, more than 80% of its total mass would still be left behind. This hidden mass is what holds everything together. Without dark matter, galaxies would fall apart because they rotate too fast for their visible mass to keep them intact. It's like some invisible glue is keeping the cosmos from unraveling. But if it's so important, why can't we see it? Well, dark matter doesn't emit, reflect, or absorb light, meaning our telescopes are completely blind to it. Scientists have only been able to detect its presence indirectly through gravitational effects on visible matter. It's like watching trees sway without seeing the wind. And here's where things get even stranger. We have no idea what dark matter is made of. Some theories suggest it could be made of yet undiscovered particles, while others propose it might be linked to an entirely new dimension of physics. Some even wonder if we're looking at the problem all wrong and that gravity itself needs to be redefined. The search for dark matter is one of the biggest scientific mysteries of our time, and solving it could unlock secrets about the fate of the universe itself. But until then, we're left wondering, what is this ghostly presence lurking in the shadows of space? Dark energy. For the longest time, scientists believed that gravity would slow down the expansion of the universe, maybe even stop it completely one day. But in 1998, astronomers made a shocking discovery. Instead of slowing down, the universe's expansion is actually speeding up. Something unseen is pushing galaxies apart at an accelerating rate, as if some mysterious force is actively stretching space itself. They call this force dark energy, and it's even stranger than dark matter. In fact, dark energy makes up a whopping 68% of the universe, meaning most of what exists is something we can't see, touch, or explain. Think of it like this. If the universe were a balloon, dark energy is like an invisible force making it expand faster and faster over time. But here's the catch. We have no idea what dark energy actually is. Some theories suggest it's a property of empty space itself, while others propose that it could be some unknown repulsive force woven into the fabric of reality. But what does this mean for the future? If dark energy continues its relentless expansion, galaxies will drift further apart, stars will burn out, and the universe could eventually become a cold, empty void. Scientists call this terrifying scenario the Big Freeze, a future where everything is too far apart to interact. leaving the cosmos in an eternal lifeless darkness. Right now, dark energy remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in physics. It's not just an invisible force, it's the key to understanding the fate of the entire universe. The more we learn about it, the more unsettling it becomes. Is dark energy something natural, or are we witnessing the workings of something far beyond our comprehension? The cosmic microwave background. The cosmic microwave background is often called the echo of the Big Bang, a faint radiation spread across the universe that tells the story of how everything began. But buried within this ancient light is something scientists can't fully explain: the cold spot. Unlike the rest of the CMB, which is fairly uniform, this region is noticeably colder and emptier than expected. And we're not talking about a small difference, it's billions of light years across. Some scientists think it might be a super void, an area with far fewer galaxies than normal, causing the light traveling through it to lose energy. But here's where things get creepy. The cold spot is so large and so strange that some physicists believe it could be evidence of something beyond our universe. One mind-bending theory suggests it might be the scar left behind by another universe colliding with ours. Yes, a literal bruise from another reality. If true, this would be the first actual evidence of the multiverse. Other ideas suggest it could be a statistical fluke, but the chances of that are incredibly low. Scientists have been scratching their heads over this mystery for years, and despite all our advancements in cosmology, we still don't have a solid answer. Is the cold spot just a weird quirk of the cosmos, or could it be a window into something far bigger than we ever imagined? Dark galaxies. When you picture a galaxy, you probably imagine something like the Milky Way, a swirling collection of billions of stars, glowing clouds of gas, and bright cosmic fireworks. But not all galaxies shine. Some are nearly invisible, composed mostly of dark matter with barely any stars to light them up. Scientists call these eerie, starless entities dark galaxies. One of the most famous examples is Virgo 21, a galaxy located in the Virgo cluster. But here's the bizarre thing. When astronomers looked for its stars, they couldn't find any. The only clue that it even existed was the way it distorted the space around it with its gravity. It's like a cosmic phantom, something we know is there but can't actually see. And dark galaxies aren't just a rare phenomenon. Some studies suggest they could be more common than regular galaxies, meaning much of the universe could be filled with invisible ghost galaxies, drifting in the dark. But why do they exist, and what can they tell us about dark matter? One possibility is that these galaxies formed in regions where star formation never took off, leaving them as dark, empty shells. Another theory suggests that some may have started normally, but had their gas stolen by larger galaxies, effectively shutting them down. If dark galaxies truly outnumber luminous ones, it means our picture of the universe is incomplete. There's an entire hidden world out there lurking in the shadows just waiting to be discovered. The Great Attractor. Right now, as you're watching this, our entire galaxy is moving at an incredible speed of 1.3 million miles per hour. But here's the question: where are we going? And more importantly, why? Astronomers have discovered that the Milky Way, along with thousands of other galaxies in our region of space, is being pulled toward a mysterious unseen force known as the Great Attractor. It lies about 150 to 250 million light-years away, and it's so powerful that it's dragging entire galaxy clusters toward it. But here's the catch: we can't see it. The Great Attractor is hidden behind the zone of avoidance, an area obscured by our own galaxy's dense stars and dust, making it nearly impossible to observe directly. But even though we can't see what's there, its gravitational influence is undeniable. So what could be causing this massive pull? One idea is that it's a supercluster of galaxies far bigger than anything we've ever seen. Another theory suggests it could be something even more exotic, like a colossal structure of dark matter, bending space on a scale we can barely comprehend. Whatever it is, we're racing toward it at incomprehensible speeds, and we still don't fully understand why. Is the Great Attractor just another massive gravitational anomaly, or are we being drawn toward something far more mysterious lurking in the depths of space? The universe is full of mysteries, and the deeper we look, the more questions we uncover. Are we truly alone, or is something lurking in the cosmic dark? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing content from InnoVision Tech. See you in the next one.